All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop, and I'm gonna pop a logo over here from Illustrator real quick. Just gonna copy that and head back over here. So that's a vector logo I drew in Illustrator, logo example, I should say. And I'm gonna hit paste. And I'm gonna hit it as pixels. So that's basically just saying, hey, you're an image, a new layer, but you are an image. You're not an Illustrator file anymore like you were. I'm gonna hit paste again. I'm gonna hit Smart Object, and the same thing. Hit Enter. Now this guy is still it knows over here vector Smart Object, and this is the other one. This is the pixels one. So it knows this is like an Illustrator file. It goes, oh, hey, this is different. So we're going to write that as an Illustrator file, not this one. So I can scale this up like really big. See that? Yeah, just like I could in Illustrator. And it doesn't care because it's like, hey, we're just going to redraw it. We're basically have Illustrator capabilities now in Photoshop. And then this guy was pixels. So I'm going to do the same thing. And you can see that it's losing uh, some quality. See that? It doesn't look like completely horrid, but yeah, that's a big difference because this thing you can go as big as you want, and the bigger I go with this guy, see you later. It's just all pixels. So that's that. Smart Object is rad. Oh, and you know what? I'm going to show you how to rasterize it. So if you don't want this to be a Smart Object anymore, go down here on the flyout menu of the there of the layers palette, and you got it. So that's how you do it. If that helped, let me know in the comments. Make sure to hit like. Thanks.